done for the day. Nandito lang ako sa hotel, chilling. Ito kasi, I'm just posting this here kasi andyan na kayo guys. But I'm also really planning to open another account na for, ano mo yun, yung mga day-to-day na ginagawa, everyday life, ganyan, mga eming travel. So, if you guys are interested, pag na-set up ko na yun, I will be announcing it here. Again, thank you for watching, guys. I enjoyed my stay here in Arizona. Thank you so much sa mga nag-sponsor ng trip na to. I'm so happy and grateful. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Lord, for this experience. Bye-bye.
If you guys have shitty cars, you can reach out. If you've been in an accident, you're hurt, reach out. Take care of you. We give you Sharora discount. Easy peasy.
Hey guys! Lalabas kami today ng mga boss. Kaya pupunta kami sa restaurant. Ganyan. So, i-vlog natin yon. Naghihintay na yung boss ko sa baba. Kaya kailangan natin magmadali. Let's go! Takbo mga beshi! Naghihintay na dyan na yung Uber. That's the boss. Hi, boss. We're just waiting for the Uber. It's like a resort hotel, ganyan. Ayan, nandito na po kami. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan niya actually. Diablo? Okay. Yan. Ganun daw ang tawag. Diablo. Ooh, this is pretty cool. And I miss you like the deserts miss the rain. Mike, look. Yan ang mga mountain, 'di ba? Ang Arizona para tong bowl, nasa gitna siya ng mga mountain. Ayan siya. Very cool. There's Mike. Hey Mike. Ano pong delivery mo sa akin ngayon? Ganyan siya. Ayan, fuchsia. Makain ako madami ngayon. Kanina nagpa-take out ng lunch. Kaso syempre, hindi ka naman pwedeng patay gutom siya kanila, di ba? Kaya kunyari, kalahati lang yung kinain ko. Ay, kaka-share. Ganyan. Pero ngayon bahala sila dyan. Kakain ako ng madami. I will eat a lot and I will drink a little. You know, a little. Pero sa hotel ko matutulog si Rina. Magchichikahan kami ni Vakala. Ayan, last day of work tomorrow. So, Friday walang pasok. Makakapamasyal ang person. Makakapamasyal ang person. Pupunta ako sa outlet stores. Meron malapit dito eh. Tapos, pupunta ako ng Target. Tapos, pupunta ako ng Walmart. Baka bumalik ako ng Trader Joe's. Basta, busy ako sa Friday. Pero i-vlog ko lahat yarn. Diba? Tapos, dahil mainit nga dito, ayan o, may mga mist fan. Ganyan, para may humid. Ganyan. Vlog lang ako habang naghihintay tayo sa mga person. Mga person na late. Wala pa yung late eh. Late yung mga kasama namin. Kaya ganun.
For the vlog.
Are we do from
Got in on Monday, yeah.
you too? So Sunday. Nice. Let's go say hi to Nico.
Okay.
Hi, Nico. What's up, bro? Wish you were here. It's just so good to see you, Sean.
Right? Oh, I can't believe it.
It's been
I know.
so long.
You know, I started with him. He trained me.
I know.
Yeah.
It's a few months where we did like 500,000.
Twice.
Nice.
Boom.
Twice for 500,000.
Hell yeah. 500 attorney's fees.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yes.
I love it.
Twice for that.
Here's the rest of the crew. Kenna and Reina.
Downtown, the cars
We're vlogging, girl. Hi guys. Hey, hi guys. Guys, sobrang lakas ng hangin. Tingnan nyo. Ooh. Yan, ganyan. Tapos, puro dust. As in, puro dust na ganyan. Tapos, yung drink ko kanina, tinaob ng hangin. Ganun. So, pagkatapos nitong round na to, lilipat daw kami. Kasi sobrang hangin. Tapos, ang sakit sa mata. Ang sakit sa mata kasi puro dust. Ganon. Ano, hindi niya masyadong kita sa buko. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan o. Ganyan siya o. Ganyan. Nang aano. Nang aano yung hangin. Ayan o. Ganyan siya mga mamush. Ayan. Diba? Hinihintay lang namin si Ann. Masyadong kita eh. Kasi ayan. Pero medyo parang foggy na dun sa banda dun. Dito sa kinatatayuan ko, as in malabo na yun. Yun yung parang may habub daw na paparating. Sandstorm, ganyan, windstorm. Pero ibang klase ng sandstorm. Sabi nila Rina, nakukuha lang daw nila yon pag summer. Parang yung wind from New Mexico at saka dun sa kabilang sides, nagsasalubong, dito nagtatagpo sa Arizona. Tapos yun, dun nabubuo yung habub.
There we go.
Oh, right here in front of this.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's do that.
Oh my gosh. Right. You didn't even look at it first.
Yeah.
Naked lady.
Yeah, no hips.
Whatever. It's all good.
Come on. Come on,
Bring
let's
it in,
take
bring it in, bring it in.
Bring it in.
Come on, John. Okay. Bam, bam.
Thank
so
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh wow, those are good.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, I love them.
Perfect! So, lilipat kami ng ibang restaurant dahil masyadong hangin doon. As in, OAC hangin doon. So, lilipat kami. Yan, ganda niya. Perfect. Lodi. I'm just gonna take a video of this. Okay, you guys. There. Pretty. Perfect. Oh, pretty. There you go. That's Attorney Andrew. Hey!
What's up, buddy? What's going on? Long time no see.
Shasha.
How are you, bro? Good. How many drinks you got? Few? Yeah. That's good. What's up, man?
Yan. Nagde-decide pa sila kung saan sila pupunta. Dito lang ako. Hintayin ko lang sila. Tao.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Hey, follow her. She's fucking amazing. She's giving you all the reels in the world. If you're not following her, you're missing out. Remember that. There you
Yeah.
go. That's another 10,000.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Attorney. Oh.
My bad. Sorry. My bad.
Here's the entrance. Na-vlog ko na to kanina, guys. Kaso, hindi ko pala na-record, mga mi. Hey, nakaka-tar kaya uulitin natin. Uulitin natin, mga mi. You know? Ayan. Oh, there's even a pool. There's even a pool. Look like. Oh, girl. Why is she crying? Those are the restrooms. Muntik pa ako hindi makapasok guys kasi wala akong dalang ID. Tapos, nakiusap na lang na kung pwede picture ng ID. So, we showed wala nga akong internet guys, diba? Wala nga internet ngayon ng person. Hindi na gana ang roaming, visit ang smart, diba? So, hindi ko ma-pull up yung mga pictures ko ng ID na mga sinend ko kay Mahal. So, buti na lang may isa ko na picture na yung visa ko. Yun. So, pinakita yung visa. Ayun, nakapasok ang bahala. Otherwise, I will just gonna wait them outside. Oh my God! Arizona is getting some rains. Parang umaambon na. Awesome. Kasi minsan lang yung ulan dito. And sabi nila, whenever it rains, sobrang bilis lang. Sobrang bilis niya lang lagi. So, you know, pag may ulan, natutuwa sila. It's raining already. Blessing, blessing. This is good luck. I'm happy to be in AC.
Yo, Gia, turn me up here.
Cheers! Cheers!
Black flamingo, just go all the way up to the top.
Okay.
How am I crazy if I was right?
Ayan. Sabi ni Kuya, meron daw secret spot dito. So, pupuntahan namin kasi sabi niya, para sa kanya daw, yun ang pinakamagandang spot dito sa lugar na to. So, tingnan natin. O, parang speak easy, ganyan. Ah, that is pretty cool, huh?
All right, so we're gonna look at some artwork right now. This is an artwork where like a face, and it's got like quite a bit of graffiti and such. Looks pretty cool. This one over here is quite the attraction. It's got the sunglasses and a cigarette all the way down on the floor, which is pretty cool. And then you have this Scandaloso motorcycle and lady. And then some more artwork over here. And then this is an entire, looks like a snake, this bar. It's like a big snake. All the way through. All the way through. Then you come over to I'm a slushy bitch. Life is short and alright. Shut up and kiss me. She is throwing a bow and arrow. And so yeah. That is the place we're at here in Phoenix. Phoenix, Arizona, the Valley of the Sun, and really, really cool locations where our office is headquarters.
Just want to tell you thank you for coming over here, and we really enjoyed having you here.
We have enough places
I wish you
we
were
don't
here
need
all the
more
time. Yes. It was such a great experience having you here, and we really hope that you come back soon. Don't be a stranger. Yes.
Hey, Shaw is the coolest, the best. You guys should all follow her. Give her more follows, and she will post better content. That's the deal.
Support.
Support.
Yes.